In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide your recent game activity on Steam. This is a must-know tip if you value your privacy, or if you simply don't want your friends list or the public seeing exactly what games you've been playing, how many hours you've logged, or when you were last in-game. Sometimes you just want to enjoy your library in peace without feeling like you are being monitored. And fortunately, Steam makes it very easy to go invisible while still keeping your profile looking the way you want it. This method works for the desktop application and is the most effective way to ensure your gaming history stays strictly personal. If this video helps you out today, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started with the process. First, you need to open the Steam application on your computer. Once you are logged in and looking at the main store or library page, look toward the top of the window. You will see your profile name written in large text. Move your mouse over your profile name and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, click on View My Profile. This will take you to your public-facing page where you can see your showcase, badges, and the very activity we are looking to hide. Once your profile page has loaded, look over to the right-hand side. You will see a button labeled Edit Profile. Go ahead and click that. This section allows you to change your avatar and general information, but we are looking for something specific. On the left-hand sidebar of the Edit Profile screen, you will see a list of categories. Look for the one titled Privacy Settings and click on it. This is the control center for who can see what on your account. Now look for the section labeled Game Details. This specific setting controls the visibility of the games you have purchased or added to your wish list, along with your achievements and, most importantly, your playtime and recent activity. By default, this might be set to Friends Only or Public. To hide everything, click the drop-down menu and set Game Details to Private. As soon as you select Private, you will notice that other options like Always Keep My Total Playtime Private might be automatically checked as well. This ensures that even the total hours you have spent in a game are hidden from everyone but yourself. Once you have made these selections, Steam usually saves these changes automatically in the privacy section, but it is always good practice to double-check that the setting has remained on private before navigating away. You can verify this by looking at your profile as a visitor or asking a friend to check your page. You will now notice that your recent activity section is gone and your games list is hidden. It provides a much cleaner and more private experience for those who prefer to keep their gaming habits to themselves. And that is all there is to it. You have successfully updated your privacy settings to keep your activity hidden. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.